Another day at the bird feeder. Today, the seeds of the feeder are coated with apple cider vinegar, a natural remedy to support Rusty's recovery from mange. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which can help combat mites that contribute to mange. The birds don't seem to mind the vinegar's smell, pecking eagerly around the peanuts in search of their favorite seeds. The peanuts remain untouched, waiting for a squirrel visitor, but Rusty is a no-show this afternoon. Here's hoping Rusty returns soon, and the vinegar-coated seeds provide some relief for his itchy condition.